Hi guys, I'm super excited. In this wonderful video I'm going to show you guys how to register on Trust Wallet successfully in 2021. So open your Apple Store or Google Play Store, and once it's open you search on Trust Wallet. So let me click on the search bar and click on Trust Wallet. Right, so this is Trust Wallet. Click on search. It's loading, guys. So this is the Trust Wallet app. You open it. Now if you have not downloaded the app, you can simply download it. It's both available on the Apple Store and also on the Google Play Store, but I've already downloaded it in this case, so I'll simply click on open. So this is the Trust Wallet app. It's open. So once it opens like this, you can go through this. It's private and secure. All assets is in one place. Trade assets, right? You can trade your assets and all that. So if you already have an wallet with them, you can click here and register. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll show you guys how to create from the beginning. So create a new wallet. So this is what you are going to see, and I encourage you guys to go through their privacy policy. You can read through that. Just click on it and you load up a web page where you can read their privacy policy and also their terms of condition. You can also read their terms of condition, and after reading that, you can also check mark I've read and accepted terms and privacy policy. So click on this check mark, and after that click on continue. Okay, on the next step, they will see back up your wallet. Now the next step, you receive 12 words that allows you to recover a wallet. So I understand that if I lose my recovery word, I will not be able to access my wallet. So these recovery words are like your password in this case, so make sure you secure it and make sure it's private. Save it somewhere safe. No other person should see it. So after that, click on this check mark. I understand that if I lose my recovery words, I will not be able to log or access my wallet. And after that, click on continue. So here are the 11 words. Your recovery phrase: write down or copy these words in the right order and save them somewhere safe. So you can copy this and save it, or write down it in a notepad somewhere you can't lose it, or copy it and save it in a flash or whatever, and make sure it's secure, because if you lose this, you can't be able to log into your Trust Wallet again. So let me simply copy this. So this is copy, and I might blot this out because of security reasons. So once you copy this, make sure the next step, they will ask you to put it in this order. Alright, the next step is they will tell you to verify your recovery phase. So tap the words to put them in the order that you saw it first. So you add them in the order. The first one is elite, so in that order, make sure all of them tally. So I'll meet you guys after I've done that. Okay, after arranging it in the right order, just click on continue. So this is the next interface. Your wallet was successfully created. Click on OK. Okay, the next step, they ask you to enable a push notification, so you'll be notified each time you receive any coin from Trust Wallet. So just click on enable push notification. So allow. Okay, it's on. So this is how to successfully register on Trust Wallet. Now if you want to view your wallet or add any new wallet, on this top right corner, click on these two dashes. Right, so you can see that Bitcoin is enabled, Ethereum, BNB, Smart Chain. So you can enable all or more coins here. Just click on them on. So this is how to enable them. And if you are missing any transaction, you can add the transaction address here and search it. Once you click on search, you can now own the particular coin you just received, in case you don't see it available on your main wallet. So this is how to successfully register on Trust Wallet successfully. And if there's any other updates, I'll keep you guys posted. So in my next video, I'll show you guys how to buy coins on this Trust Wallet and other things that you need to know to succeed and make profit from Trust Wallet. So that being said, guys, if you're interested to buy cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin, any coin or any cryptocurrency you want to buy, I can buy it for you and send it to your address on Binance or Trust Wallet, whichever platform you use. It doesn't matter. I'll send it to you using any network that you prefer. So I send coins and I buy coins, and any cryptocurrency, NFTs, whatever it is, just contact me. My contact is the first thing below in the description box. My WhatsApp, my phone number, my email, my Instagram, whichever mode you want to contact me with, you can contact me and we can transact. So that being said, guys, I'll see you guys on my next video.